Hello. So today let's talk about money, everybody's favorite subject, but this is important because you are looking for a business, you're interested in getting started in something, but you should also be interested in how do I make the money? How do I get paid for what I'm doing? So I'm going to break that all down, break down the offer that we work with, the compensation plan, all of it, just so you have a really good understanding of the money-making potential that is available to you here. The goal is ideally to, start a business whilst either still working or having some income coming in, because you need a funding source to build your business. Businesses do not run for free. There's just no way to make a bunch of money without ever putting any money in. Also, businesses and investment. This is not a negative, it's a positive. So, I bought that desk. I'm never going to make any money off of it. I paid $500 for it. I could sell it for $400. That's a loss. I buy my car for $40,000 and I go to sell it for $30,000. That's a $10,000 deficit. So most things in life we spend money on, we never get anything back for it. Not the case in business. You invest in business and invest in yourself. You create a skill set that you can make money off of for the rest of your life. That is huge. Now, with the Freedom Era, we like to be able to kind of guide you through. We have our aligned offer that we work with. So it's a blend of marketing education alongside a high converting offer. That's a word that we often use, is high converting offer. So a lot of different companies or platforms out there, a lot maybe in the MLM industry, have low ticket offers where it's like a shampoo for $200, whatever, and you make 20. Or, a supplement where you sell it for 100 and then you make 10. I personally, to build a full-time income, to be able to work from home, I don't want to make $10, $20, $100 commissions. I'm looking for something where I can be earning $1,000 plus per sale. So that's a key factor that we want to consider here. So I'm going to share into the Freedom Era here and just browse around. So when you get started, you'll log in and this is your first screen that you're coming into. So this is kind of going through the welcome video, how to use this platform. You also get to book a call with a digital business specialist. That's huge. So this is someone that is really teed up to talk to you about your goals, your strategies, your budget, everything that makes sense for you of what do you want to build in your business and how can we best support you? Next up is completing the discovery process and learning about our highest converting offer. So you'll get to go through all of this and then have your call to really break it down. Now, when you go through this course, it's going to take you, I'd say, a couple of hours. So really dedicating that time, but it's broken down video by video by video to really learn about the offer, the business, the platform. So you can see step by step by step by step, investment, all of it, the platform, the offer, highest converting offer. This is all laid out for you. So you get to kind of walk through that process. Next up, I'm going to share with you part of the compensation plan, because that's what we're really talking about here is compensation. This was a video done by Jessica Zalem. She's one of the top leaders in our community. She's amazing. She really breaks down the compensation. So I'm going to hit play and we can watch this together.
So how do the commissions work? We have an 8-point system, and with every, you can see here, your first and second sale, you would make $365. From your third until your 10th sale, whether that's direct or indirect, meaning it's a sale from you or a sale from someone in your team, you're going to earn $730. And so the more sales that you make within your business, picture it as a franchise. So the more hamburgers McDonald's make, the more profit they make, right? This is the same thing, only you're earning more commission as you work your way up the, the ladder in terms of percentage of commission. We also have most people that start on the business actually buy 3 products. So our business packages, the first 3 sales that you make, you would actually earn almost $3,500. Then the next packages of products that you sell would be in the next lane up, which just simply means, which is 3A, which simply means you'd be earning 3 slices of the pie out of the 8. And you'd be earning just over $5,000 for those 3 sales. Then your next business sale is in your 4A lane, which means you're earning 4 slices of the commission pie, which would be $2,300. So after 7 business sales, you're earning nearly $11,000. And guys, I've taught this for years to the beautiful women and men in my team. And it is mind blowing when you can actually have a strategy towards 10K. It's mind blowing what that does. Like, it is so simple. It's so simple to sit down, do the numbers, and understand how this business really gets to support you towards your goal. So we also, I mentioned before, we have a legacy earning potential as well, which is where the more sales that you make and the more that you have helped have that impact on other people's lives, the more you're able to tap into different bonuses monthly and quarterly, and then get one-off bonuses, and then earn residual monthly income for life. Like, this is the life-changing stuff that also gets to be generational. So this is the legacy income we mentioned that is able to be handed down to the next generation.
Okay, this is amazing. This is just a snippet to really kind of give you an overview. And I'm actually sitting right here waiting for my next bonus, which is amazing. But that's kind of, again, when you dive into the platform, like I showed you, there's that full process that breaks down individually each aspect of the compensation plan, the product. You have to have something that you're aligned with education, you know how to do your marketing, but you also have a way to make commissions. And direct sales is such a beautiful way to earn an income while being at home full time. So if you have any specific questions about the compensation plan or about how you earn money, just reach out to whoever added you, or you can add a comment on this video and we're happy to help you.